So hello everyone, this is me without makeup or without filter, excuse me. So for today's video, I am attempting to remake this pattern. Shout out to you, thank you for the support, and I'm really glad that you guys like it. And I'm sorry it took me a while to do this, I'm just busy. So since you are important to me, I will make this video for you guys. So okay, before we start, everyone has different method to make the pattern, and this is how I do it. This is my method. This really works for my body shape. It might be different from you, but I don't know. I'm really excited to see someone make the pattern I made. It will be my first time. Okay, so let's start with a basic bodice block. And if you already have the basic bodice block, you can use it and you can skip this part. And if you still don't know, watch this video from start to finish. Okay, let's go. Start of our bust. My bust is 32. I am not putting any ease in this pattern. My bust is 32. Divide by 4. So that's 8. I'm not putting allowance too because I like to cutting it on fabric. And if you want, you can add allowance. It's up to you. So yeah, I'm just going to wait. Let's make a border in here. Oops. We're just making a rectangular shape. So let's mark 8 since that my bust. Let's do 8. Let's connect that. This is gonna be our shoulder line. It's gonna be our shoulder line. And let's go down for our waistline. From shoulder to your waistline. Make it short. That's okay. My shoulder to waist is 16 inches. Okay, so let's start the shoulder. To make it clear, bust, let's take example, okay? Use your measurement. This is my measurement. 32 divided by 12. That's my neck hole. That's gonna be our neck hole. Make a point and do it also to the other side, same measurement. There you go. Let's make a horizontal and vertical line. just to connect it. And you can make curve now. All right. So shoulder, my shoulders measurement is I am 12 divide by 2, 6. So let's find 6 inches. There you go. Make mark. 6 inches. Okay. So to make the shoulder, there's few types of shoulder, right? Regular, broad, narrow, and sloopy. I want you to watch what type of shoulder you have. So you might need to do some adjustment. Yeah, so I'm using regular since my shoulder is regular. So let's do it. So I go down from the point. So from the point, I go down 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. There, make a point. And I will just connect it here. All right. So from this point, I go in about 3/4 of inch to make size for your armhole. Let's do bust measurement divided by 4 minus half an inch. Okay, minus 0.5. That's my my arm line. My so I go down 7.5 inch. 7.5 inch. Mark it. And connect it. Right. So from the point that we made here, we just go down to make a vertical line, connect it to the arm line. All right. There you go. And let's make a curve. There you go. Okay. So next, we're going to find an apex point, right? So if you don't know how to get your apex point, just measure your nips to nips and divide it by 2. Okay. So mine is I'll just go 6 divide 6 divide 2 is 3. Just go 3. 3. It's gonna be my like dart. And now we're going to find our apex point. If you don't know your measurement, or you don't know where to locate the apex point, so this method will work. Okay, so example 32 divided by 4 equals plus 1. So that's where your apex at. Okay, so now we got our apex point. Let's make a straight line. No, horizontal line, like that. And so what I did is apex to underbust include the curve when you measure it. Okay, measure your apex point to your underbust. So if you don't know the measurement here, I recommend do this. So example, my bust, my nose, my underbust. Okay, that's the total. Okay, and my nose, I'd like it to minus 0.5, half an inch. That's the result. So let's go down. 3.5. I'm just going to mark here because we're not done yet. Okay, so our basic bodice block is done. The front, anyway, I forgot to tell you this is the front. We're working at the front. Okay, this is the front. So now this is we will make our underbust line. This is our new underbust line. Okay, this is underbust line. Okay, this should be the waist, but going to adjust it. Okay, we will make adjustment. You might don't need to adjust. It depends on your volume of your bust, because mine is I have a lot of volume, so I need to adjust some area here. You don't have to if you don't need, so let's leave it. But me, because my apex to underbust and underbust to waist. Okay, so I measure my underbust to my waist plus mine was 4 inches, but I'd like to add another inch, so total is 5 inches. Okay, so again, bust to waist plus 1 inch. And make a line. We're just going to attach this. I need to connect this. Okay, so this is our new waistline. Okay, this is our waistline. Don't mind this. This is, imagine it's not there. So okay, let's work now. Let's find the midpoint shoulder, well, we are going to find our midpoint here, like that. Just make a midpoint. We're just making a dart. So making dart, it's also depend on your size of your body. Okay, so since I need to eliminate I have a bigger volume, I have a bigger bust, so I go higher number. But if you don't have if you don't have problem with your measurement of your bust, start with 1 inch. Just go my I just go my measurement. Like I said, start with 1 inch if you don't know, and just connect it to the apex point. Okay. And now at the armhole, I'd like to make dart too. Same size at the shoulder, okay? Okay, now we're getting there. From the armhole, I like to go down half an inch. There you go. I go down half an inch, make a mark. Okay. So from apex point, I also measure like where your strap will start at the front. So mine, I like to start it with 4.5 inch. It's depends on you if you want a lower. Okay, I show you to make it easier. So here, if you want more showy cleavage here, so it depends on you. You can go down, you can go up. It's your call. So mine, I just go up 4.5 inch. Okay, so from apex line over here, I go up half an inch. Like I said, it's up to you if you want to show more cleavage. You can go down or you can go up. So I'm just going to connect it. Connect the point that we make in here. Okay. And we will make a new armhole. Remember, we make point in here. That's gonna be our new armhole line. Just connect the point here. There we go. It's gonna be our new armhole. On this side, we're not going to touch this yet because we have to measure the back first. Because this side should be same measurement at the back. We're just going to leave this like this, and we will make the back panel. No, we will make the back side now. Okay, it's a bit similar to the front. The only difference is the shoulder. So let's go. Let's make again rectangular. Let's start rectangular. Remember the waist here? That's gonna be our guide for the back area. Okay. So bust measurement divide 4. That's gonna be our size. So let's do 8 inches and 8 inches. Just connect it. It's look like cricket. What happened here? See. Looks okay. Alright, so let's start. Let's start from the neck hole. Bust measurement. The bust circumference divided by 12. Okay. So that's gonna be our, we will make a point 2.6. Make a point. So in the front, we go down, but at the back area, we go up. So okay. So the total of the bust circumference divided by 12, again, divided by 12 equals, and divide 3. So that's the length, the leg to we go up. So we go up 0.8. Make a point. All right, and let's make our curve. All right, and here the shoulder divided by 2. No. Okay, yeah, the shoulder divided by 2. It's 6 inches. You make a point. So now, oops. Let's do the length of hair, the shoulder. Let's make a measurement here and let's transfer it to the back. So whatever. Okay. Let's connect it. Right. So that's our shoulder. I make extra hair because we're going to have dark. So our dart, we will transfer it here. Yeah. So the length and the dart that we will I don't know. So okay. And now, as you see, I have 2 points here. This is from the shoulder. Shoulder divided by 2. That's it's giving me. That's give me. This is the arm line. I'm just going to connect it to the back. Let's connect it to the back area. So let's connect the first point to the arm line. Okay. And now let's find the midpoint of our shoulder. Let's find the midpoint. So here I am just going to eliminate 1 inch. Not too crazy, but just 1 inch. Okay, I'll make a point. And here we will make it similar to apex. So I will do same as the front, 3 inch. Although you can do just half of this, like the length of hair, you just divide it by 2. It's up to you, but this thing worked for me. And also we don't need it anyway. It's only for making dart. Okay, so I will make point in here at the middle and connect this point to this 3 points. Okay, so this dart length, we're going to transfer it here. Okay, just 1 inch. Don't start here, start to the second point. Okay, so and let's make a curve. So from this arm line, I'd like to go down 1.5 inch. Like that. Like that. Just connect it here to that point. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so remember we add 1 inch in here, like from the under bust to waist plus 1 inch. So we will do the same thing in here. We will add 1 inch. So this is, imagine it's not here. So this is our new waistline at the back. So yeah. So to do the same size in here, we measure it. It's 5 inch. We'll do the same here, but we go up 5 inch. Connect it. That's gonna be the back side should be the same size of the front side, right? Look at this. So we're going to measure how much we have to eliminate in here. So over here, like I have to eliminate 1.5 inch. Okay. So we will make the dart here the same size here. So let's go. Let's make a dart. And just connect it to the apex point. Okay. Okay, she's almost done. Yeah, she's almost done. Okay, now to measure the strap, we are just going to measure the front. Remember, we make a point in here. It's gonna be our start for the strap. So just measure it to the shoulder plus at the back point to the shoulder. Okay, that's gonna be the measurement for your strap. And also I just want to include, it depends to your fabric. If it's a little bit stretchy, you might eliminate some inch. Yeah, you might need adjustment for this strap. So since the back of my top is gather, we will need to add another length for the back so we can be able to put gather. As you can see, it's not much gathering of my top because that's how I want it. It's still up to you. So to get the size for the gather is just double the size of the back. And since I don't want a lot of garter, I just want like a simple one. It ain't 8 inches here, and I divide it by 2. That's what that was the measurement I add here. 4 inches. Okay. Just connect it. Okay, so this area is on fold. Don't forget to mark it. Don't forget to label it. Unfold. And here, don't forget to label it too. It's gonna be for your strap. I mean, label, not just for your strap. That's where it goes. Okay. So let's cut this. Our back pattern is done. Label it. Let's label it. Hey, I think I made a mistake in here. Give me a minute. I connect wrong dots. Sorry about that. It's going to wrong period. All right. It was a wrong period. Wait, dang it. Why I keep forgetting things? I keep forgetting things. Oh, we need to connect this because okay. And also make notches in here. And also label this on fold. Back back west. Let's just say back west. This back top. It's moved. We're not going to touch the waist for. We're just going to leave the waist alone for now. Let's go to the top. Let's go to the bust area. I'm just going to cut it like this. Okay. To eliminate this dart, we have to cut here. Slightly. Okay. Let's cut this piece. Not too close. Just leave a little bit part so it won't fall apart. So let's just connect it. Tape it. There you go. Okay. Be careful. There you go. There. So we're just going to make just to cover it. Let's cut it. And here, let's just making it straight. A little bit straight. Okay, we will make new armhole. There. So the other bust line, we have to measure it, and that's what we're going to, because we will need to add another length for this area. So I have to measure this. Just like space. Okay. Okay, we have to add 7 centimeter more. Okay, so we're almost done. I'll just put label in here. As you see, I labeled it on fold, the bust and the waist. But the bust, it's up to you if you want it unfold or not. Just don't forget to put allowance if you cut it. You will make, if you want to put notches. I like to put the notches where the what's it called? Sorry, the apex vertical line. Remember, this is the apex line. So I'll just put it there. And over here, I'd like it, my notches in here, there. And our front is done. And also I want to add my ribbon on the middle. I did, if you want the measurement, if you want the length of it, so 16 inches, no, 17. I did 17 inches for the ribbon. This is for me. So let's move for the shorts. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I already made my my pattern. I'm just going to explain how I did it. Because I don't have a marker. I went to the store to get a marker. So I want it like you see the line. Okay. So at the middle, let's do the middle. I made a Let's make a line in the middle. So for the horizontal, I just hips divided by 4. That's my result. That's what I applied here.
I do it my own. Mom, I do it my own. Oh!
Same as the top. I'll just go to the top. So to get the length here, I did measure my waist to my crotch, and also I minus 1 inch for the waistband because I'm doing a garter, so I eliminate 1 inch. So I want you to keep in mind. Yeah, waist to crotch minus 1 inch for the waist. That's what I did. I'll just make my crotch line obvious, I mean clear, because look like it won't be clear. So this is my crotch line. This is the waist crotch line, and this gonna be your length for for your shorts. I only add 2 inch in here since we're going to put gather at the end. So yeah, to make the length in here for the crotch, I did hips. Let's go. Hips divide 4. Divide 2. Okay, and divided by 2. That's my length. All right, to make it clear, again. So hips divide by 4. That's the measurement we had in here. Okay, and divide it by 2. Okay, this result will be our we're gonna use this for the back area. This is gonna be for the back area, and we're gonna divide it again by 2, and that's gonna be our front. So this is gonna be the result for here. 2 inch here. Yep. And next, I'll just go down 2 inch. Let's make line 2 inch here. Let's go down 2 inch. And I'd like to go in half an inch, and just connect it. Like a little bit curve. I'd like it like a little bit curve. There. Okay. And let's make another curve. Dang. Before that, I forgot to tell you, Remember, I told you to eliminate 1 inch here for the waist. I actually eliminate here 1.5 inch only for the front, because the front side is lower than the back side. So I only eliminate 1/2 inch for the front waist plus 1 inch for the waistband. I hope I explain it clearly. See, they're just going to make curve in here. There. And the coach line, I go up 1/2 inch, and it will be up to you, like how many, if you want like a little bit showy, or you want like, you can go up, you can go down, it's up to you. But what I did is I just go up 1 inch, just go up 1 inch, and just connect it over here. And for this is the pocket. It's optional, you can have pocket or you don't have to. So cause mine, it's upcycled, it already has a pocket, so I didn't have to make another, I didn't have to make pattern for the pocket, because it's already has one. So but if just in case you want pocket, this is the measurement I did. So 4.5 inch by, like, I mean 7.5 inch by 4.5. It's just give you idea, like you can go, you can get a bigger pocket, it's up to you, but this is what I want, I prefer. It's just a simple pocket, you don't, it doesn't have to be like crazy. So this pocket size is based on my hand. Okay, it might be different on you, but if you have like, if you want a bigger, I'll be recommend like 7.5 by, let's say, let's do 6, let's do 5.5, let's go 5.5, just for the sake of this video. Just make it happen. So let's go down. And let's connect it here. All right. So this area I mark in here. If maybe you're confused. So here, so from here I go up just 2 inch, and let's make a little bit drama in here. It's up to you. It's your reference for the pocket. But doesn't have to be like this. There. It's gonna be the pocket. Okay. Next, let's go to the back side. Okay, let's proceed. So 33 divided by 4 plus 1 inch. I add 1 inch in here at the back panel, at the back area. So that's giving me 9.2, 9.25, and that's what I did here. Okay, let's go. From the west, I go down to the crotch area. Don't forget to continue your, let's make our crotch line before we forgot again. There you go. So mine was 10, right? Example, mine was 10 from west to my crotch, and I did my nose 1 inch. So it's giving me 9. So here it's giving me 9 inch. All right. Then let's mark my waist over here. This was my waistline. I want to show you. Okay. Okay. That was the waistline, and then at the end here, I went. I connect my waistline to my front line. I connect my waist, my back waist to front waist. So we just make a loop. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay. So this area, I remember I told you how to get this length. So hips divide 4. That's the size of the square, right? Square for the front, and divide it by 2, and that's the result for the crotch area. Here.
Mom, I need help. Help.
I'm busy right now. Here, I'll do it yourself. And then here, I'd like to go in half an inch. Just mark half an inch over here. I mark half an inch.
Mama.
And let's make our curve.
Mama. Mama. It's raining. Mama. Mom, take a
Alright.
look.
For the bottom, I just add 2 inch, same as the front. We'll just go down 2 inch. The same as the front. Okay. And let's go in again half an inch, the same as the front. And I'd like it a little bit curvy, not too much, but a little bit there. And from the crotch line, go up 1 inch, same as the front. And connect it. There. There, it's almost done. So, to get the right length for the gather at the bottom, all you have to do is to measure it. Measure here, plus measure the front, measure at the back. Okay? And this measurement, you only have to do is to double it. Double the measurement, and that's gonna be your length for gathering. Okay? I hope you understand. So let's label it back and front pocket. For the waistband, I just measure the waist here from the front and the back side. Measure it, and that's gonna be the size for your waistband. And I also did, because remember the waistband is 1 inch, so double it 2 inch because it's gonna be fold. And also unfold in that area. I just forgot to label it. It's unfold. This won't be clear, but it's unfold. Okay. If you want to put notches in here, put notches in here for the front. It's for the pocket. That's the important part. You don't, yeah. So yeah, I think that's it. That's how easy the short is. I hope you understand. And thank you for watching, guys. I really enjoy it. So any question, you can just comment and I'll try my best to answer it. And yeah, that's it for now. See you for my next part.